Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the stereo mix into your chosen tool and immediately make a backup so you can experiment risk-free. Once done, set the project sample rate to match the file and split the stereo to separate left and right channels for phase work. Make sure to load or note any isolated instrumental reference. It helps you judge results. You'll begin with frequency analysis and phase cancellation, which both remove centered vocal energy while preserving non-centered musical parts. You now choose a method based on complexity. For simple tracks, perform mid-side processing to reduce the center channel where vocals usually live. Lower mid-gain by 612 dB and listen. For dense mixes, run an AI source separator to extract stems and keep the music stem. Once you have a vocal-reduced output, use spectral editors to hunt residual vocal artifacts and apply narrow notches or gentle high-pass filters to clean mud. Finish by restoring stereo width and natural ambience. You can reinsert side-channel content or reverb derived from the original to avoid a thin sound. Once satisfied, use corrective EQ and light compression to glue the track and manually remove remaining vocal traces with spectral repair brushes. If artifacts appear, reduce processing depth and iterate. Finally, export a lossless file and save your session and settings so you can revisit and tweak if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.